Hey there, sculptors. I thought I'd just show you guys what I've been up to. What I'm trying to do is get back into sculpting each day, so I take some time to make sure I do that too, because sometimes being surrounded with art supplies and all the packages and orders and things to do, I don't get much time to sculpt. So I'm trying to change that, and luckily my audience is helping me too, because I'm also working on a commissioned piece as well. So this little piece, it's just a cute little baby head, similar to my Snuggle Babes that I've done, except this one has more of a realistic look to it. And so I just sat down for about an hour today and just kind of gave it a try, and I thought she turned out pretty cute. For a first try, the face isn't exactly symmetrical there. I mean, no face ever is, but I'd like it to be a little bit more. But other than that, I thought she turned out really sweet. So I'm going to show you how she looks with a little paint on her face. But before I do that, just showing you what else I have going on here. This is a sweet fairy in the works. Let me get her in better focus and a bit further out for you. So she's really close to the first bake state. I need to finish up her legs a bit and give a little bit more detailing to her body, but I think her face has turned out really cute, and she's got a darling little body. There's a better close-up of that face with those pretty eyes that my daughter makes. And then next I'm working on the first fawn that I've been finishing up, and then today we are going to get started making the armature. So if you've signed up for our fawn contest, keep your eye out for an invitation to the online class, because I'll be sending that out to you today, and it'll have the supplies needed and kind of go through what's in the kit with you, and we'll get started making that armature so we can get going on this new project. So this is what we're headed towards, and we'll get going more on that today. But before we get started on that, I'm going to show you how I blush up this cute little baby face and bring it to life. Alright, so here's this cute little baby face, and I'm going to use the typical mixture that I do, which is Genesis Paints Flesh 06, that's kind of like a taupey flesh color, mixed in with Pyro Red, that's either a 5 or 6. And that's of the Genesis Paints. So first I'm just kind of outlining a little bit, more just because I'm impatient and I want to see how she's coming along. Because usually you would just kind of blush out the eyes a bit, not so specifically lining them like I am. Alright, and then we can kind of give her a little bit of cheek blushing on there. I'm just using a brush I found that's kind of close to looking like a filbert or a round. There, that's so cute. I'm going to heat set that so I can then add more color to it. Alright, so there she is with the first coat. Oh, she's so cute. Okay, let's see. Now I'm going to add in a little bit more, and I'm going to use one of my filbert brushes so I can kind of cover more area at once. Again, this is just some Genesis paint that just kind of thinned out a little bit. And then this brush has a nice little edge on it, so I'm going to go ahead and take some, added just a little bit more red, just to darken that up a little bit. Then I needed to do the lips a little bit darker and then heat set it again. She's turning out super cute. Alright, she keeps getting closer and closer, a little bit at a time. Now I'm going to add just a teeny tiny bit of brownish, just to kind of highlight this eye crease just a little bit more. Make it more similar to the other, like that. She turned out so cute. Okay, now I need to do a little bit more on those lips. Just give just a little, has more bright red on it, but it's really glazed down. So it's super fine. So just a little hint a more rosy red there. And then I'll just darken in the eyes just a touch more with a little bit of red. And up into the nose. They're so tiny at this size. I mean, here's my thumbnail. So tiny. Anyway, it's just turned out adorable. So I just wanted to share that with you. There we go. Look at how a little bit of color really brings it to life. Isn't that cute? Love it.